Good morning, students. Welcome to English class 8. Before we start the session, let me clear your doubt. As we know in the new book, all the three terms are together. As per the new book, we have completed Unit 1 Prose, Unit 2 Prose, Poem and Supplementary, and Unit 6 Prose Friendship Lesson. So now we shall go by order, like Unit 1 in this session, the special hero. The next session we will continue with Unit 1 supplementary. Okay, children? So now don't get confused, children. Now let's get back to Unit 1 poem, The Special Hero, written by Christina M. Christian. What the author says in this poem. It says about the father and its love between a child. She says that everyone knows the love of mother, but about father no one knows. Even he cares a lot. So children, in this poem, the author describes the love between father and a child. Now let's move on to the poem and its explanation. First stanza. When I was a baby, you would hold me in your arms. I felt the love and tenderness keeping me safe from harm. Explanation. The poet describes her father's love towards her. When she was a baby, he would held her in his arm. She felt his love and kindness. He always kept her safe from harm. He protected her in every way. Second stanza. I would look up into your eyes, and all the love I would see. How did I get so lucky? You were the dad chosen for me. Explanation. When she looked up into his eyes, she could see the love of her father. She felt that she was so lucky that he was the dad chosen for her. Third stanza. There is something special about a father's love. Seems it was sent to me from some place up above. Explanation. She says that there is something special about a father's love. It cannot be equaled to anything. She thought that he was sent to her from some place up above, which is heaven. Fourth stanza. Our love is everlasting. I just wanted you to know that you are my special hero, and I want to tell you so. Explanation. She just wanted him to know that their love is long lasting forever. She wanted to tell her father that he was her special hero. So dear children, in this poem we talked about father's love, how it cares and protects his own child. So before we end up the session, I would like to say you something, that everyone loves their mother and father. Dear children, fathers also play an important role in our life. He will be harsh, but at the same time he will be kind. He will be rough, but at the same time he will be soft. Here is our special hero. That's all for today. Let's meet in our next session with more interesting topics. Till that, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.